Hello there, dear YouTube friends. In this video, I will teach you guys on how to make this mobile app UI in Figma. And this particular mobile app UI is actually an online shopping mobile app, which is done by Mr. Kevin Dukan for his one of his client. So this is just one of his design that he has shared in Dribble. So really would like to thank him for actually sharing his one of his finest work here. So yeah, and this is the reason why, and this inspired me to make a video of this on how to make exactly like this in Figma. So thank you, Mr. Kevin, for your design, for sharing your design on publicly on Dribble, and and you're the reason why this video is happening. And let's get started with this particular mobile app UI. So this is just something really and really elegant and very simple yet really stunningly minimal looking mobile app UI. As you can see here, all the mobile app, I mean the design here is really stunning and really yep, really minimal at the same time. So this is what we're gonna do exactly. So let's get to Figma, and this is something I would try. Okay, let's get let me just do this. Okay, so let me just show you how to do exactly like this design that Mr. Kevin has done. So in this case, I've already found like already gathered all the required icons that we'll be using throughout this particular app UI. So we're just gonna use all of this, and all of this are actually I just got it from Flat Icon. So flaticon.com is actually a website which just have millions of icons libraries, so you can actually get this minimal icons from there, so you can always refer to that. So let's get started with our mobile app UI bit with this. So on all of every single time we need to use this particular when we wanted to start, so this particular tool called frame here. So click on it, and once you click on this, you just need to drag and make a rectangle like this. So this is the one that we're going to start with, and there you go. This is the first thing you should do always, as always. And let's start with this particular icons that are being the main icons here. So this is just buttons of there are eight of them. So we're gonna make all of this, by the way. So how do we do that? We're just gonna make an like a circle shape here. In order to have a circle shape, you need to go to your shapes tool here and click on ellipse here. So once you click on ellipse, you just need to make an circle like this, and let's make the background color to be the same as what Mr. Kevin has used in his project. So in this case, I'll be using a lighter gray and as well as some bluish color to this particular gray. Okay, that's nice. That's the perfect one. So let's add our first image here. So I'm just gonna take this pizza icon here, just copy, and just gonna paste it right here. Increase the size. Just wanted to uh, put this pizza exactly to the center. Okay, that's perfect. Sorry, let me put it again. Okay, that's perfect. So in this case, we have already done. Wait, let me just put it a bit more to the top. Okay, that's perfect. We're gonna select all of this, and we're gonna make this to be a bit more smaller. Wait, yeah. Before that, Mr. Kevin has used some text below the circle here. So let's add some text before we move on. Let's say I'm gonna say dining. Okay, this text is too small. Let me just gonna remove this for now. Delete this for now and select all of them. Not to reduce the size, something like that, and not so small. And so I'm just gonna place it right here, and I'm gonna place some text below it. For example, this is called dining, and selecting all, line center, and increase the size. And I'm going to change the font to my favorite font here. I'm going to use Inter, which is my favorite font. Sorry, Inter. And I'm going to select that, and then let's move on. Okay, so this is the first icon that we have just used. The next step is just to copy and just duplicate for about like 8 times so that we can have all these icons to be listed here. So let's do that. Just copy it, and we're gonna duplicate for about like 8 times here. Paste it to the bottom here, and then once more, duplicate once more, and duplicate once more. So right now you'll have 8 of them. Make sure they are like, okay, there are 8 of this. I'm just gonna place it to the center. Okay, that's perfect. Okay, next will be I need to replace this pizza icons with these icons here. So in this case, I'll be deleting all of these icons. Sorry, and I'm just gonna copy everything here. Copy and just place. Sorry, and then place it right here. Just gonna place it. Sorry. Okay. Anyway, let's remove some unwanted layer, which is let's just, yeah, you can just move on with that. And let's do the same thing for the icons at the bottom here. Just gonna select every single icons here. Did all of them. I'm just gonna replace it with these icons I already have, something like that, and make sure it's in the right in the center, and just place it right in the center again, as well as this and this. Okay, that's nice. So let's get to the following section, which is this case it is the Walmart card here. It's a membership card here. So it really looks nice because I really like the design because yeah, just want to do this exactly. In this case, I want to take the frame tool here again once more, the frame tool, click on frame, go back and make a rectangular just within this particular section. Okay, that's nice. And I'm going to select color, the fill to be instead of solid. I'm gonna instead of solid, I'm gonna make it linear. So linear is what we able to have a transition between one color to another color. So that's what we're gonna do. So we're gonna select blue first. Select blue. The second color is gonna be another different blue. So let's make sure this opacity is full. And the second color is gonna be a bit more a darker color. Wait, not this. Yep, something like that. And darken and then the first one should be a bit more brighter than it is. Okay, that's nice. Perfect. And click enter. And what we can do, we can actually yeah, we can actually change the direction of this gradient. So in this case, what I can do, I can just go and click again, and I can actually just bring the bright color to be starting from the left corner here, top corner, and the dark one should be let me just, yeah, dark one should be around here as well. So it looks nice. Okay, perfect. Click on enter. Done. And next, let's have a rounded corners for this as well. So around about like 25, I guess. Okay, perfect. So next, let's add the following lines, which is, let's see what are the stuff that need to be right. As you can see here, they have used a Walmart logo here. So that's what we're gonna use. So let's go to just look for Walmart logo. Just I'll be taking this logo here. Just gonna use this easy simple logo PNG. So because it's just PNG by the way. So click on this frame. I'm just gonna select. Yeah, just gonna paste it. This the PNG that I just copied. So yes, I'm just gonna paste this PNG right in this and inside within the box here. And as well as I'm gonna make it like a bit more like towards to the end here. It's like exactly like how Mr. Kevin has done in his design here. So and as well as I like to use this my own color instead of yellow. I'm gonna use my own color. So I'm gonna make it as a mask. So once you have make it as a mask, you need to select the rectangular tool and drag it on top of it. Okay, right now you have a gray color. So gray is something which not going to be one we're going to use stick with, and instead of I'm going to use some linear color here. So click on linear, and I'll be just making this to be to this left corner here, and also this is going to be right corner here, something like that. And I'm going to change this gray to white. Okay, that's nice. And this to be white as well. Okay, that's nice. Okay, so let's go to the following step. Following step will be we need to add more of this more other details. For example, a Walmart logo here, the other logo. So we're gonna use this here. Yeah, this one. And I'm just gonna copy this and place it in our logo, and just resize it to fit that particular frame. And of course, you need to make sure you place this particular image to be above, not within, inside the mask we have created. So it will be a really big problem when we just place it in between the other frames here, other mask. So resize it a bit more, and it's kind of a bit more smaller than it's supposed to be. A bit more smaller. Okay. So then now let's see the text is here. It's not the color that Mr. Kevin has done. So we're just going to make it white instead. So, but then this is a text by the way. It's not a text. It's an image. So how do we change the color of an image? It's basically using it as a mask. Copy and paste. Wait, before that, let me just remove this text for this and remove logo for this. Okay, now let's use this as mask. Okay, use as mask and get a shape tool, place it over it, over this, and change the color of the text. That's simple. Okay, done. So place it on the top. Place it on the top here, together with with its logo. Okay, done. So next, let me just check how does it look. Okay, perfect. So let's add some more text here below this logo. So it says 25% discount for your first purchase. So just type this. So 20. Sorry, the place it should be placed here. So 25% discount for your first purchase. So this is the text. So just going to make the increase the size a bit more, and also increase some thickness of this to bold, I guess. Not bold, is too thick. And yep, I think that's fine. Okay, and let's add this button here. This also we're gonna need a shape tool here. So just gonna place it below the mask and add color white and a bit more height, and as well as some it says 20 plus 25 here, and then just gonna fill the text inside here. Example plus 25. Okay, something like that. And also some corners. I'll have to add about like 25, I guess. I have to add more. Just want to make as smooth as possible. And yep, I think that's it. Okay, also we need some flat icons help here in this case. So we're gonna find a coin icon. For example, just type in coin, and you will find a lot of coins here. So I'm just gonna take any of this, and example, just click on it, copy this image, and just gonna paste it here. Oops, I should copy image instead. Okay, place it right here, and we're gonna decrease the size. Place it right here. Oh, okay, just need to place it below the mask and decrease the size a bit more, and done. It should be a bit more bigger than it's supposed to be because the text is kind of big. Just to adjust it and just decrease the size. Okay, that's nice. I guess we are done with the card here. Just need to place it a bit more to the bottom, and this one should be a bit more to the bottom as well. Okay, nice. We are done with the second section. Let's go to the third section here. This is just some gift card deals here. So in this case, we're gonna use the frame tool again. So in this case, go and select frame again and make a square, just something like that. Do it like square. Okay. Then we have done. Once you're done with that, let's we just need to put it here, and let's get some image here of a KFC. So just gonna search for KFC here. So in this case, I'm just gonna copy one of this, copy image, and just gonna place it within this frame. Okay, just something like that. Okay, perfect. Let me just decrease the size in the frame. Yep, this okay, perfect. And let's add some text below it. It says KFC chicken. So just gonna place right here. It says KFC chicken. There's one more text below it. It says get 50% off. 50% off. And this should be a bit more smaller than the one in the top here. And also the color should be a bit more lighter than the one on the top there. Okay, that's nice. And we need to make sure this particular card has rounded corners here. So select this frame, and you can go to add some corners here around like maybe like 25, I guess. Wait. I think it should be more frames, sorry, more corner. Let's give like around 50. 50 is kind of big though, so we're gonna go for 35. Okay, I think that's nice. And we're gonna have this to be like bunch of more. Just click just select all of them and just copy and paste again. Okay, just gonna select all of this, copy and paste. I'll be placing here, and just gonna copy everything and paste it here again. Yep. Just gonna have three of them. So select all, and I'm just gonna make it a bit more bigger than usual. Okay, that should be it. And let's increase the size of this to be, let's maximize the size, something like that. And also size of this image as well, maximize it. Also as well as this image here, maximize it. And there you go, we have done with the should be something like this. And here, yeah, you can just move on with that. Let me just increase the size a bit more. Wait, let me just copy and replace it again once more. Copy and paste last time. Okay. And make sure you place this particular set to be within the frame of our main. In this case, we're going to select all these three frames, and on this frame to be within the main frame here. This frame, but this frame, okay, should be within this frame. Okay, that's nice, that's what I meant. Okay, next will be let's add some title to this, which is, it says gift card deals. Let's increase its size, and that would do. Nice. And let's add some nav bar here. Yep, nav bar should be placed in the bottom, and let's move it to the top here. And we're gonna have the nav bar to be here. In this case, before I forget, I need to make the frame of, the frames corner to be rounded around like 50. Yep, I think we need to have it, give it more, about like around like 75. Okay, that's nice. So let's add some nav bar by clicking on this shape tool here. So I'm just gonna make like this and place this rectangle within the frame so that it actually covers here. And I want to make this to be white, this particular nav bar to be white, as well as I would like to also have like a like an like I would like to have this to be visible. Like actually here, both of this color and the background of the frame are the same. So how do I make a change is that I can actually give a bit more of a gray for the background here. So click on this frame tool and can actually give the fill to be a linear. So as you can see here, I can actually change from I like to make this white first. This thing to be very white. Now on the bottom here should be a bit more like so. I'm gonna make this white as well, but I like to something like that. Okay, that's nice. And I would like to add some navbar icons here, but I've already have the icons to be here. So just gonna copy all of this and just gonna place it right here. The icons are actually just easily to be found in flat icon. You can actually just find them, and this is where exactly how I find them as well. I'm going to increase their size, something like that, and also I'm going to add some text for each and every navbar icons. So let's add some text. So this case is going to be a home here. The size. I like to give the same color for this as well. Make it the center, and this one should be copy and pasted here. You can say scan, pay. That should be basket. And this one should be a profile. Okay, and let's change the color of all this 3D text by just changing the color one shot by this. Okay, that's nice. So next will be let's see what else do we need to add in terms of the sections. And the gift card should be a bit more to the center. And so let's make another gift card to be like here. Something, sorry. Like make another duplicate version of this gift card, and we're just going to place it right here. And we're going to place it out of this frame, sorry, within the frame. Okay, so you can see here there's like another card here, but you can actually scroll it to your right when you wanted to look more of this card. And it's going to place it to be a bit, sorry, not this. I'm going to place this a bit above it. And lastly, let's add some top navbar icons here. So as you can see here, there's like, as you can see in the Kevin's design, here's some designs here. We just need to use these two designs here. This is the center one is not actually, I'm not sure what you need, but we're just going to use the search icon here as well as this location icon. So in this case, we're going to go for flat icon. So let us look for search. So just like take this icon here, just copy it and just gonna place it here. Okay, and then just increase the size, right, place it here. And in this case, I'm just gonna put like just like to make the opacity to be around like 50% would do. And as well as one more, finally one more, the last icon I like to choose actually a location icon. location icon should be placed here. So let's search for it. So it says location. Okay, we're gonna select this. So copy this and we're gonna paste it here instead. And of course, the opacity should be decreased to 50% as well. Okay, I think just need to reduce the size a bit. Okay, that's nice. Let me just put it to the right, to the left, and to the left. Okay, that's nice. So we're just gonna I think we have done the whole design here. And yeah, thank you guys for watching this entire video. That's all we are here. And yeah, this is all the simple design you have just we were able to just capture it from an actual dribble artist who have made their designs publicly available. So this is actually just a easy way to start your career as a mobile app designer and UI UX designer for any other sort of website layouts, or any sort of technology layouts. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this entire video. Hope we'll be meeting in our next upcoming video of let me just make this to be okay. That's nice. Okay, thank you guys for watching this entire video, and hope we'll be meeting in our next upcoming video of another mobile app UI, or it can be a web app UI. And yeah, you can actually just request me if you like to make what would you like to make me next on the next video. So yeah, till then, till the next video, peace guys.